Hi, my name is Scott. Today we are reviewing the ALLPOWERS S200 portable power station. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you what you get. Here's some specs. You can pause the video if you want, so you can read the different specs if you add solar panels and so much more. It comes with the manual, power supply, and the unit itself. As you can see right here, you can wirelessly charge your phone or device. So this is at 0% battery, so we're gonna have to charge this up. Vents on both sides. On this side you have a type C port, DC in, AC out, USB out. You would toggle these if you're going to be using either one. Let's go ahead and connect this. I like the nice and sleek design. Here we can see some more specs. It's a 41,600 mAh battery, which is definitely pretty high. Okay, here we go. It can handle 200 watts, so you don't want to plug anything in that's over 200 watts. Okay, we're going to go ahead and charge this up. Now that we have it connected, we can see it's charging at 28 watts. The battery indicator's over here, and this says how long we have left on a charge. 0.1 hours. We're gonna go ahead and let it charge up. Okay guys, so to use the wireless charging, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have it turned on and it's lit up green. So you press this button here, and then you go ahead and place your phone on here. And as you can see, it instantly starts charging. And even though our phone is not touching completely against, because of our camera setup on our phone, it sticks out, it still picks up the charge. So that's very impressive. Again, if you want to use the AC outlet, press the button over here. If you want to use the USB outlets, press the button over here. So if neither of the outlets are working, make sure you press the buttons and learn it. But overall, it's nice. Very nice. Very impressive. This is great for college students, great for off-grid people, great for those who like to hike, or great to keep in your vehicle for a backup for whatever reason. Overall, it's very nice, and most laptops will have no problem being plugged in here. Most laptops don't take 200 watts, so you'll be able to charge a laptop. Overall, it's awesome. And the nice thing is the display right here. It's a pretty cool display. Now you can see it goes down because of our cell phone. So we could have our cell phone sitting on here charging for 19 hours before the battery would go, and it's only at 62%. So now 15 hours because it's charging up to 4 watts. The more watts an item uses, the quicker it's going to drain the battery. But it's pretty awesome.